Okay. It's keyless though. Okay, we have gasolina. Good morning, guys. It's so hard to grab neutral. I have to use my hands. Here's Georgie. He doesn't have cardo this morning, so we're gonna be alone today, guys. Good morning, by the way. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another episode. That's a Grom. So yeah, we're going to work. Sinamahan tayo ni George kasi first time ko dadalhin sa work tong Harley Davidson ni Pogi. Bagay daw sa akin, sabi ni George. Yes, perfect timing. Okay, iwan natin ang first gear para hindi mag-roll, I guess. Alright guys, tuloy na lang natin to tonight when we go home. But yeah, that's Pogi's Harley. It's pretty cool. 107, I don't know what that is, pero malakas siya, malaki ang torque. Alright, we'll see you guys tonight. Peace. Oh no, it's raining. Going home and it's raining. Sana hindi lumakas at sana hindi masira ang ating GoPro. doing it. Georgino. Home guys. Pasensya na kayo, hindi ako masyado nagsasalita kanina na nasa freeway kasi bagong motor tong gamit natin nangangapa pa ako. Yung concentration ko talagang focus sa pagra-ride ko ng motor na to. But it's not too bad, you know. Pero inabot kasi kami ng traffic kaya nag-split lanes pa kami. Thank you George for helping me out on that ride. Today was a rough day at work. Medyo busy kami, non-stop din ako kaya medyo tuliro na ang aking pag-iisip. But overall, I think it's a nice bike. I'm enjoying it. Medyo nasanay na ako sa clutch niya. Tapos kanina on the way to work na figure out ko meron din pala tong cruise control. That was nice. But yeah, it's really different from what I have. Talagang ibang iba siya sa multistrada for sure. Talagang talagang cruiser. So may ABS siya, I guess. So, I mean, modern naman siya in a way. Woo! It's all torque. Alright guys, so sa tingin ko this one is gonna be a short video for sure. Kasi talagang konti lang yung ating commentary. So enjoy nyo na lang yung B-roll kanina. And hopefully we can have more rides with this bike in the future. So hindi ko alam kung kailan to isusoli kay Pogi Alam mo naman yun, hanggat hindi niya hindi niya talaga kukunin sa akin to. Alright, so until the next video guys, until the next episode. So hopefully we can ride this bike more. So hindi naman sa review, hindi naman tayo magaling mag-review, wala naman tayong alam sa ganyan. Pero at least, you know, we go around with it. Alright guys, we'll see you in the next one. Woo! Thank you for coming with me today sa work. Like I said, we'll see you in the next one, okay? God bless and be a blessing to one another. Peace!
1, 2, 3. Paper planes fly me to outer space. That's where I'll see your